In this video, I will show you how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. First of all, go on to Google Chrome. The first step is to go towards the top of the screen, looking at the tabs. You should see a little plus icon where it says New Tab. If you go over it, click on that. Then, you'll want to click on Add Shortcut, which should be in the middle of the screen. Next, once you've clicked on that, you want to go ahead and type in the name of the thing you want to shortcut. So, let's say for instance, I want to add a Google shortcut. I just want to have that. Then, I'm going to need the URL, the web address. Go over to whatever the web address is, go ahead and copy it. Then, you'll want to go ahead and paste it into the URL. Technically, you could type it in, but that's just a lot quicker. Once you finish with that, click Done in the middle of the screen. Then, you should see there. If you open up the new tab as you did before, you should see your shortcut there. So, for me, it's Google. You can click on it, it'll open up, and then you can go straight to the shortcut as you want. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.